Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm Tara with Pieces of Tara Artistry. Thank you for being here. This is just showing how I prep my edges because I'm using thin paint so that I definitely get the design sticking to the edges as well as I don't get canvas show through. I am using some custom colors, the turquoise blue, the turquoise green. They both are my leftover drips from other pours that I've scraped off my table and I have strained. I do have a video that I show how I strain my drips. I will link that above and in the description below if you're interested in that. The Prussian blue is a golden paint. So all of these base coats are mixed with the base coat pearl cell recipe that I flashed on the screen. It will be in the description below as well. And I'm just trying to move it around, covering all the sides and the canvas with the base paint. So this is the puddle paint, Dutch pour paint recipe that I use with this Amsterdam titanium white. So this one is a little bit different. Normally I do a Dutch pour with many different colors and I kind of go through. And on this one I just kind of wanted to see what would happen if I just used the white Amsterdam paint, because I know that it does create some beautiful lacing and cells, and so I thought I would see what kind of pearl cells would pop through, what kind of lacing it would give if I did this. Now, I really love it when I first blow it out. I think it's really cool looking. And then what happens normally with this Amsterdam paint, the titanium white, is that it's a heavy paint, so it sinks. And it sunk more than I anticipated. I think if I were to do this again, I would put a heavier line of that titanium white down and blow it out in the same way, but I think that it sunk too much in this one. And honestly, the section that it didn't sink as much in, those were towards the edges, and I think that there was less paint on the edges, so it could be that I needed to tilt off more paint of my base paint. But yeah, I mean, it turned out good. It turned out fine. I do like it. It's definitely interesting. So yeah, this is the section that the white stuck around the most in this blowout. So I don't know, this is a really quick one, guys, because I just was kind of trying some things out. So I hope that you enjoy this one. Let me know what you think of this technique. If you like what you're seeing, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified each time I put out a new video. And if you ever have any questions, please let me know. I am always happy to answer any questions. I do read and respond to every comment. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this. I do have the wet and dry results, so stick around for those. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.